enjoy today while visiting this land of time. The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World.
I think this was made in the 60s. Pretty sure.
Yeah.
You can build the church,
oh my God,
future church in America.
If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest deals from around the galaxy. At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Now, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
No, I had to use my left foot. My right knee was so hard. I had to switch knees. I don't remember which.
Never again will I drive that thing.
No, it's ridiculous.
We should make it so hard. It's like, what is it
You don't get it. It doesn't go fast, so it's not like you're going to crash it.
They want you to feel like you're working for your speed. That's a new ride.
I got it on tape, so I'll always have this before it was built.
Alright. The camera's facing out now.
No, this is here.
Oh!
I can see the direction.
When that was one of the real wonders of our world, Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and create in the cosmos.
Look up.
Mr. Tom tomorrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the...
I don't get it. How is that? I think...
Welcome back to tomorrow.
I want my money back.
Visit Space
I want my money
Mountain while
back.
you're here for an adventure
I
that's
told
out
you
of
it
this
was like
world.
cheesy and stupid and like basically the first thing you go on to make out is but I have this salad though.
Alright. It started out okay, but then it was very anticlimactic.
But it was a 10-minute wait, sweet. So it wasn't late.
Now we know why. Wow. Well, this part is okay. That's why
You have to sit. Yeah, you have to sit. Now it's time for the toilet.
Oh, alright.
Nice. Carousel of Progress is like a rotating show.
For a different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights.
You want to prioritize it, but 50 minutes is nothing for food. That might be a return time one, but I'll do it at the end of it. I don't know.
It's a rough ride.
Yeah, it's a rough ride.
Yeah, I won't be disappointed.
It's not as bad as
We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside this rotating theater, your families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th
Like,
century.
you've been in a car accident.
Oh my god. That's a lawsuit.
First presented at the New York World's Fair. This
Say the same thing about Space Mountain. You know, like, we're driving by Space Mountain now. Look at Space Mountain.
Rangers. This is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your Star Cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor's Earth.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser to save you.